Check out this new big badass tiki bar we just built for the Big T cooking show. I'm going to show you what this area used to look like. These are some of the before and after shots of the project getting done. Now that all those old pavers are out of the way, we can get started. This is where I'm deciding on what size this bad boy is going to work out to be. Finally got that size down, so now it's time to get with the program. So the dimensions on this roof is 16 feet by 16 feet. It's approximately 13 feet to each post. Those are 6 by 6 by 12 foot posts, 4 feet in the ground. So the roof is pretty much done. Now it's time to get on with the project and build the rest of everything. So being the fact that I pulled up brick pavers from the existing tiki bar and we already had some, I went with brick pavers on the ground versus concrete, because I only had to spend about another $500 for the pavers to get the job done. And here's the new bamboo, 12 feet long, 345, some of it 6 inches in diameter. Now I'm getting started laying out the inside of this place. Brick pavers can be installed in many different patterns. We just chose a random pattern and put them down. And this is where we start designing the countertop. And here comes the bamboo for the bar. That bamboo you see on the back wall, we bought it from Home Depot. They sell it by the roll. Time to start working a little bit on the grill area. Bar top area sanded with 2 coats of polyurethane brushed on. There's a cooler sitting down inside that cabinet. Mini fridge. Little Blackstone griddle sitting up there on the middle. And there's our old school charcoal. Still got to take the legs off. And this is the cooking area. Charcoal, Blackstone flat griddle, and gas grill ready to go. Here's a new logo, Big T Cooking. Cooking lessons, cooking reviews. Just getting ready for some benches to be mounted. Kind of what they're looking like. Very sturdy. Just got to put some fire and some polyurethane on these benches, and them bad boys will be done. And that's my #1 helper, Snoop Dogg. Of course, you got to get your priorities in order with a cold butt and a high-tech notepad. Does a good trick. Time to start breaking things in. Maybe I'll just start with this bottle of Jack. A few more measurements. We're gonna wrap this up. TV cabinet just about done. Part of the crew. Gotta have a cheer somewhere. The other part of the crew. Pirates, Gold Beer, Cashews. Seems like this tiki bar is just about ready to cook something. touch up a few more cabinet doors, and this is a wrap. Stay tuned, folks. New cooking videos right around the corner. Peace out. Big T. Hope you enjoyed it.